In this video, I will explain to you the homologous series. So basically, for the homologous series, it is a group of organic compound that had the following characteristic, which for the first one is it have the same general formula. So for example, alcohol here, the general formula will be Cn H2n plus 1 OH, whereby the M start from 1, 2, 3, and so on. So say that when n equal to 1, so the formula will be C1 H2 multiplied by 1 plus with 1 OH, and then the formula here will become CH3OH, and this is what we call the methanol. And then when M equal to 2, the formula will become C2 H2 multiplied by 2 plus 1 OH, and the formula now becomes C2H5OH, and this is what we call the ethanol. So as you can see here, both of these are alcohol, which are the methanol, ethanol. They have the same general formula, which is this one, CnH2n plus 1 OH. Next, for the homologous series, it will have the same functional group. As you can see here, this is the methanol and this is the ethanol. Both of these are alcohol. They will have the same functional group, which are the OH group here, or we call it as the hydroxyl group. So basically, for the functional group of alcohol, it is hydroxyl, OH, and then for carboxylic acid, the functional group will be carboxyl, COOH, and then for ester, the functional group will be carboxylate, COO here. Next, the homologous series will have the same chemical property. So remember, the functional group will determine the chemical property of the homologous series. So for example here, the methanol and ethanol, they have the same functional group, which is the hydroxyl group, so they will have the same chemical properties. Next, for the last one is the physical property will changes from one member to the next. So basically, the physical property is the one that we can observe with our naked eye. So for example, the solubility, whether the compound is soluble or insoluble in the organic solvent or water. And then for the second one is the electrical conductivity, whether a compound can conduct or cannot conduct electricity. And then next is about the melting point and boiling point, whether a compound have a high boiling point or it have a low boiling point. And then the last one is the density. So that's all for the characteristic of homologous series. This is quite important, so you must really understand and memorize it. Thank you.